Second graders, hello. Okay, I am going to show you how to make your anchor chart, and it can look just like mine if you want, or nothing like mine. I don't care. It's basically just a way to brainstorm and help you kind of get your ideas in order before you start your planning page, okay? So you just watched the video that talked about what is persuasion, persuasive, to persuade, okay? You watched that whole video. So now we're just going to write down some of our ideas. So the first thing that you probably need to know is, why are you doing this? What are you going to persuade? Well, guess what? Dun dun dun. Your persuasion, maybe I'll write it out because that would be super fun, is, hold on, I'm doing this one-handed, guys. I got to use my mouth to open the markers. Okay. You are going to be designing, pink might not have been the best choice, but we'll try it out, your very own donut. Whoop, whoop. Raise your hand if you like donuts. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is, the assignment is to design a donut and persuade your local donut shop to feature your donut as the flavor of the month. Your challenge is to design a new and unique donut. The contest judges, which are the store owners, will be looking for colorful, tasty donuts, and they're also looking for the strongest examples of persuasive writing. Now, this is all just pretend and for fun. I really wish we could get into a donut shop right now, but that will have to be for another time, okay? So you watched about what it means to be persuasive, okay? So I want to make an anchor chart, and basically, like I said, this is just, this is going to be words to help you, okay? So anchor chart, or we could call it brainstorming. You could call it either one. I don't care. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is, whenever you're doing persuasive writing, it's kind of about opinion. Sorry, guys, I got to use my mouth. Okay, so an opinion. So I just wrote donut. You can do whatever you want here. I'm going to, over here, write the word opinion. Because when you're persuading someone, you're talking a lot about your own opinion, okay? And that is what you think. Oops, sorry, guys. What you think. Maybe what you feel. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to get in there. And or what you believe. And what you're doing is you're trying to have someone else think like you think, or feel what you feel, or believe what you believe, okay? Another word, so this is opinion. Another word for persuasiveness or persuading, let's write the word persuade, okay? Here's some other words that mean the same as persuade. Other synonyms, perhaps, okay? The word convince comes to mind. Maybe you're going to convince someone to think what you think, feel what you feel, believe what you believe, okay? Maybe you're going to want someone to take action on something. Okay? Another thing you might want to do is change someone's mind. They might already have an opinion about it, and you want to change their mind. So change, we'll say someone's mind. Let's do a few more just to get your brain thinking about what this means to persuade, okay? The word sway, that kind of means change as well. That can kind of mean the same thing. The word influence, guide, perhaps. Ooh, my paper's moving on me. Maybe you just want someone to think about. You might use this phrase, just think about. Okay? I have a few more words I want to show you in case you end up wanting to do it in your writing. So just think about. Prefer. Or a simple word is know. Well, I know. And then by you telling them about the knowledge that you have, maybe they will want to believe, feel, or think what you think, or be persuaded in that direction, okay? I'm trying to check my notes here. Just think about what we did. So pretty much we got everything that I wanted you to tell, or want you to do in your anchor chart, okay? So what you're going to do is after you have made this anchor chart, and again, mine's not as fancy, but you don't have to make it fancy. I literally have anchor chart, or you could just write brainstorming about a donut. So you're designing, let's get another color in, shall we? Ooh, how about purple? You are designing your own special donut. So also, and you're going to persuade, right? You're persuading the store owners to make your donut the flavor of the month. So not only are these words about persuasion, but also start thinking about your donut. You know, are you going to just go with a normal donut with a hole in the middle? Are you thinking like, oh, I'm going to go totally outrageous and try a square donut? I'm more of a donut hole kind of person. It's really up to you, okay? So then after you've made this anchor chart or this brainstorming chart, you have, or mom and dad I emailed mom and dad, so they have this. You have what's called a planning page, and there's two parts to it. The left side is the writing part. You're not doing that today, okay? You're going to focus on the right side. So now that we know what persuade means, now I want you to think about your sketching side, okay? That artistic side of you. It says, draw a sketch of your donut design in the box below. Use labels to identify donut toppings or other features. Use the writing space on the left to plan. We're not going to do that today, so don't worry about that. This is your picture, your sketch. Now, in the lesson plan, so like over here, your sketch, your donut, okay? On the lesson page on my blog, I said just sketch it with pencil. Start with pencil. If you want to add color, you can, but you don't have to with your rough copy. So today, you're making an anchor chart, which I just made. Not fancy at all, okay? And then you're going to sketch out your donut. Sound good? I am so excited to see your donuts. Okay, good luck. Have fun. Bye-bye.